golden bananas on the shelf, now see how they traveled from farm to store. Fresh banana bunches in export boxes tilting. Follow their journey back to tropical orchards. Ready to eat bananas in your hands prize. Trace the full journey from nursery to shelf. Make sure the roots are covered completely. We need to move quickly before the sun gets too high.
Morning dew on banana leaves. Perfect conditions for fruit to thrive.
First banana bunches appear on trees. Tiny green fruits growing in clusters.
Sunlight filtering through orchard. Bananas slowly maturing on hanging bunches. Ripening bananas turning pale yellow. Orchard ready for harvest season. Green crates filled with freshly cut bananas. First stop, field edge sorting table.
Sorting bananas by size and ripeness. Only the best go for export grade. Field-sorted bananas loaded onto farm trucks. Transport to factory begins.
This pallet is clear for section 3.
Got it, marking it now.
Sanitizing station. Middle Eastern female workers wearing gloves and masks sanitize banana crates before packing.
Too soft here and a bruise on this side. Okay, noted. Move it to rejects.
Automated grading line. Bananas measured for size and weight before packing.
Box labeling with origin and batch code, elite. Traceability for every banana shipment.
Make sure that film is tight on the corners.
Looks good from here. Send it to level 3.
Cold chain storage room. Temperature logged to keep bananas fresh for export. Loading refrigerated trucks. Banana crates carefully loaded for overseas transport. Port shipment. Containers sealed and ready to ship bananas worldwide. Back in office export documentation, certificates, quality reports, origin papers organized.
Tracking system activated. QR codes on crates record harvest date and farm origin.
Cold storage arrival overseas. Banana crates checked again before distribution.
Banana fruit ready for smoothie or snack. Show smooth, untouched fleshed texture.
Waste-free farm. Banana peel and leaves composted back into soil for next crop. New banana saplings grown with compost soil. Sustainable cycle keeps land fertile.
pest monitoring. Natura predators released to protect banana orchard.
Pruning old leaves. Workers trimming banana tree leaves for better fruit development.
Soil testing and fertilizer adjustment. Hispanic agronomists ensure nutrients for strong banana growth.
If we batch this section for the 15th, it ensures continuous supply.
Perfect, I'll mark that down. These trees look ready, right?
Absolutely, they'll be at peak maturity by then.
Night harvest under protective lighting for early market export shipments.
Hand washing and hygiene station before packing. Ensure food safety for bananas.
Factory cleaning schedule. Equipment sanitized after each packing shift.
Audit inspection for export compliance. Inspectors verify packing standards and crate hygiene. Load stability test. Pallets of banana boxes tested for secure stacking during transport. Temperature sensor logs toward gritting. Cold chain data recorded for export batches.
Export route animation overlay. Path from farm to overseas retail displayed visually. Seasonal yield comparison. Old orchard versus new plantation. Bananas per hectare compared.
We care for them from the seedling stage. It is hard work, yes, but we are very proud to send our bananas to the world.
Family-scale banana farm operations. Small farmers contributing to global supply chain.
Large-scale plantation mechanization, using tractors and irrigation systems for banana cultivation.
Organic versus conventional banana farming. Compare soil, yield, and fruit quality.
Daily farm log. Growth tracking of banana trees from planting to harvest.
How are the new gloves working out?
Very well, thank you.
Much better grip and safety.
Overtime crates. Last batch of bananas loaded before shipping cutoff.
Holiday export rush. Bananas packed and shipped for festive demand overseas.
Put the green ones here.
Yeah, these semi-ripes go in the middle.
Look at that, the spacing is perfect now.
That's good, thank you.
And the airflow will really help the yield this season.
Climate adaptation. Shade nets and windbreaks protect bananas from harsh weather.
Irrigation management in dry season cloud. Drip line watering preserves soil moisture for banana trees.
Harvest record keeping, tagging each bunch with harvest date and field block for traceability.
Temperature and humidity are stable across all active shipments.
The cold chain integrity is holding strong. We are all green.
Sustainable farm to market. Show every step the banana travels to reach you. Banana box drop test. Ensure packaging survives handling and transport roughness.
Home snack time. Peeled banana ready to eat. Natural light showing bright fruit.
Community-supported banana farming. Smallholders supplying to global export network.
We need 50 more crates for the morning shipment.
Coming right up. Watch your step on the ramp.
Banana export feature, tracking a single crate from farm to overseas shelf via QR code.
By comparing the harvest cycles across the years, we've achieved a 20% increase in yield.
Cold chain delay consequences. What happens if temperature rises during banana shipping?
The red one is definitely sweeter, but the texture is softer.
Agreed. This yellow cultivar has a firmer bite and a slightly citrusy finish.
This supports the whole village,
We ensure they reach you fresh.
supporting local jobs.
You can really taste the quality.
Eco-friendly banana logistics, solar-powered cold storage, and green transport methods.
Packaging innovation for banana. Breathable mesh crates for better ventilation.
Bring that last crate over here. It's heavy. Just push it in. The rain is starting.
Quality audit. Random sampling of banana crates before export for insect or pest check.
Our educational series followed the incredible journey of the banana, from the tree.
In this session, we focus on proper banana handling. Lift by the stalk, never the fruit, and place gently to avoid bruising.
Export route planning, scheduling shipments to maximize banana freshness at destination.
Banana packing line maintenance, ensuring hygienic conditions for food safety.
Overnight transport. Refrigerated trucks carry bananas to distant cities overnight.
These look perfect, very ripe.
Yes, my customers will love these.
We just unloaded the freshest batch right here.
I think we'll take this bunch. All right, that is 50 baht. Perfect, here you are.
Banana supply chain transparency, showing traceability from farm to consumer via QR labels.
Global banana market behind the scenes, from tropical farms to international supermarket shelves. Seasonal farm calendar chonan, planning, planting, harvest, and export windows for bananas.
Banana crate design testing, ensuring ventilation, durability, and export safety.
Ethical farming. Fair wage workers harvesting bananas under safe working conditions.
Climate-smart banana farming, adapting to weather for stable yield and quality.
Premium export banana boxes. Fenul, high-quality packaging for foreign markets.
Wholesale to retail transition. Banana boxes broken down to consumer-size packs.
Retail logistics. Distribution from warehouses to city supermarkets.
Wow, this is the freshest banana I've ever tasted. The full chain process really makes a difference. It's so sweet.
Banana dessert prep, using freshly exported bananas for smoothies and snacks worldwide.
Worker Spotlight. Meet the team behind every banana crate. Farmers, packers, shippers.
Fruit export economics,
How banana export supports local farming communities.
Cold chain monitoring dashboard. Live tracking of banana shipment health worldwide.
From the lush orchard to the packing house, then onto the ship. And look, they've finally arrived right here at my door, perfectly ripe.
Zero waste banana export, using every part of the banana plant. Fruit, peel, compost, fiber.
Faster, faster! Get them to the packing station! We're almost out of time. Seal it up.
Export batch audit. Random quality checks. Ensure only premium bananas reach markets.
Logistics optimization, route planning, cold chain timing, speed versus freshness trade-offs. Farm heritage, generations of banana farmers working to meet global demand.
Here you can see the fully automated process, from box assembly to careful loading and final labeling for export.
Export readiness check, final inspection of banana crates before container sealing. Cold chain failure simulation grouping. What happens if cold storage is interrupted during banana transit?
Future of banana supply, sustainable farming, green logistics, reduced waste. Welcome to our detailed look at the global banana supply chain, tracing the journey from the farm to your local store.
Behind the banana, meet the scientists improving banana variety for better yield and taste.
Night warehouse shift. Cold chain storage maintained 24/7 for banana freshness.
Ensure these temperatures hold steady until the next pickup.
We finished relabeling the Busan crate, sir.
Good, let's stage them by the main door.
The journey of the world's most popular fruit starts here, in the fertile soil of our nurseries. Episode 2, Harvest and Packing. How bananas get ready for export.
Episode 3, Export and Retail. Bananas on the move to global markets.
All right, everyone, as you can see, the team is getting that huge stalk down. We're moving it to the processing area now. Keep those comments coming.
Phase 1, Harvesting. Phase 2, Collection and Transport. Phase 3, Washing and Sorting. Phase 4, Packing and Distribution.
It tastes like a tropical farm in a foreign city.
As we transition from the orchard, follow the cable system into the packing facility. Here, the fruit is carefully.
We need to confirm the ETA for the Asia. Make sure customs clears the manifest by 1600. The Veracruz vessel is loaded and ready.
Banana export under certification standards. Quality, safety, traceability on every crate.
Post-harvest banana care albiolin. Humidity tents before shipping to maintain freshness.
Worker Welfare Spotlight. Safe working conditions in banana farms and factories.
Community impact. Banana exports are creating jobs and supporting rural economies.
Banana Export Milestone. Celebrating first international shipment with workers and staff.
Eco-certified bananas. Organic farming. Fair trade. Sustainable export practices.
Full banana supply chain recap. From seedling to consumer bite in one video.
From our family to yours, we make sure they arrive fresh and delicious every time.